What do we mean by the term knowing a word? जब हम कहते हैं कि हम किसी लफ्ज़ को जानते हैं, what do we mean by it? What should be the requirement of knowing some word? देखिए ज़रा कि रिसर्च क्या कहती है. रिसर्च, 2 रिसर्चेस को मैंने रेफर किया है. Knowing a word means more than knowing the definition of a word. Meaning, not only the definition is required if you know the word, rather there is some other requirement also. There are some other demands also that we must fulfill while knowing a word. Okay? तो वो फिर क्या-क्या demands हैं? Knowing a word means having the ability to recognize it in its spoken and written forms. Meaning, not only we should recognize it in oral form, rather, but also in written form. Complete recognition starts from देखिए अब आप इसकी जो पहली स्टेज है वो रिसेप्टिव वोकैबुलरी है. ठीक है. We must recognize a word not only in oral form but also in written form. Second one, knowing its different meanings, meaning there should be different meaning, there should be a complete knowledge of different meanings also. बहुत सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं ना जिनका कि डिफरेंट मीनिंग होता है एंड वी यूज इट फॉर इंस्टेंस लिफ्ट है. लिफ्ट मीन्स टू पिक इट अप और लिफ्ट आपके एलिवेटर भी लिफ्ट होता है. सो जितने भी उसके पॉसिबल मीनिंग्स हैं और आप डिक्शनरी में देखिए अगेंस्ट वन वर्ड देयर आर समटाइम्स मेनी मेनी मीनिंग्स. सो वी नीड टू know all of these meanings also. Number 3, that knowing it's part of speech. हर वर्ड का एक ग्रामेटिकल स्टेटस होता है. जो भी लफ्ज़ आप बोलते हैं, whatever you make a sentence, write down a sentence and then you look at it, each word carries a grammatical status. या वो article होगा or it will be a noun or adjective or verb. So you should be knowing its grammatical status also. This is also included in the knowledge of the word. फिर आपको उसका correct pronunciation आना चाहिए. You should be able to pronounce it correctly. This is also the requirement of knowing some word. फिर आपका ये है कि जी उसको यूज़ आपको करना आना चाहिए करेक्ट फॉर्म में, आपकी grammatical जो उसकी requirements हैं उसके साथ in a sentence. This is perhaps the most important one and productive. यहाँ से देखिए if you can use it तो it clearly refers to what? Productive vocabulary की तरफ आता है ना कि if you can use it, you are making sentence, you are using it in some composition, you are using it as a part of your essay, you are using it as a part of your story or some other thing. So it means you can produce something by using that particular word. So उसका use आपको उसमें आना चाहिए. फिर आपको you should be able to recognize it in its context. इसके आगे इसके पीछे जो बात हुई है उसको माइंड में रखते हुए what does that word try to convey you? What is the meaning of that particular word in the context of that which is going on and the story है, essay है, whatever the discussion is going on, आपके उसके बीच में उस word का क्या मतलब है? What does it carry? So आपको you can not only able to recognize it, understand it in isolation कि वो अलग से कहीं word लिखा हुआ है, but you can recognize it and you can understand it while being used in some context. क्योंकि अलग से तो बहुत कम वर्ड्स हैं ना जिनके साथ कि आप इन कांटेक्ट आते हैं. यू रीड सर्टेन वर्ड्स, यू राइट सर्टेन वर्ड्स, देयर मस्ट हैव बीन समथिंग बिफोर दैट वर्ड, देयर विल बी समथिंग आफ्टर दैट वर्ड ऑल्सो. सो ये सारी चीज़ों को आप माइंड में रखते हुए वो वर्ड क्या कैरी करता है, वो क्या कह रहा है आपसे, वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. फिर you should be able to recognize the use of that word in different languages also. For instance, आप देखिए the use of one word in American English is different and there is some other word for the same meaning that is being used in British English. For instance, आपको एक जगह वो lobby कहते हैं, उसी place को दूसरी जगह lounge कहते हैं. एक जगह trunk कहते हैं, उसको बूट कहते हैं या बॉनेट कहते हैं. सिमिलरली लिफ्ट एक जगह पे वो कहते हैं, दूसरी पे वो एलिवेटर कहते हैं. सो आपको नॉट ओनली उसका यूज़ पता होना चाहिए in one context but in certain other context also. If you know the meaning of elevator, the complete knowledge about that word, and you should be knowing not only in this context but you must be knowing it that उस context में इसका ये मतलब है. हाँ, हम यहाँ तो ये कहते हैं but वहाँ इसका मतलब ये है. So you just notice how the circle and the range is getting ample and ample, and how the range of the knowledge is expanding with every step. देखिए शुरू कहाँ से बात हुई थी कि you should be able to recognize it that you are at the level of receptive vocabulary, but how you are entering the sphere of productive vocabulary, or not only you are entering, rather the sphere of that vocabulary is getting expanded by each and every step. तो आप देखिए पहले उन्होंने कहा कि आपको recognize करना चाहिए, then you should be able to know the meaning, the usage, not the in the context and the forms and the grammatical status and context, not only in this context, rather in some other context also. So when we are teaching vocabulary in a classroom and we are focusing the usage of words and we are trying to teach we are trying to give this concept to our students, तो ये सारे जो aspects हैं वो हमारे mind में होने चाहिए as a teacher. और एक teacher को जो है he or she must try to cover all of these aspects while having a class of vocabulary and while teaching vocabulary to the students.